CVMC, EC, NMMC, EEE. Unit 5, Vector Integration. Vector Integration. Lesson 4. Problem 9. Find the line integral. Find the line integral. Integral over C y square dx minus x square dy about the triangle whose vertices are 1, 0, 0, 1 and minus 1, 0. Solution. According to given problem, your f bar dot dr bar y square dx minus x square dy. You need not find f bar, you need not write r bar. According to given problem, f bar dot dr bar is this one. Okay. What is the triangle? What is 1, 0, 0, 1? Draw the diagram for this. X-axis, x dash 0, y. This is 1, 0. This is minus 1, 0. This is 0, 1. So this is A, B, C. Arrow marks. So how many line integrals are there? 3 line integrals. 3 line integrals along AB, along BC, along CA. So I1, I2, I3. I1 plus I2 plus I3 nothing but your final I. Line integral along AB. Line integral along AB. So first you write 2 vertices are there. So this is nothing but intercept form of the line. So x by 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. This is the intercept form of the line. So x plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus x. Y is equal to 1 minus x. So dy is equal to minus dx. Along AB, x varies from 1 to 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0 along AB. So what is your f bar dot dr bar in terms of x, y square 1 minus x whole square dx, write as it is, minus x square. What is your dy? Minus dx. So 1 minus x whole square plus x square into dx. So this is nothing but 1 plus x square minus 2x plus x square dx. So 1 minus 2x plus 2x square dx. This is your f bar dot dr bar. So I1 is equal to integral along AB f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 1 to 0 f bar dot dr bar is 1 minus 2x plus 2x square dx. Integral 1 dx x, 2x square by 2 integration 2x cube by 3 1 to 0. Upper limit 0 minus lower limit 1 minus 1 plus 2 by 3. So 1 cancel, we get minus 2 by 3. That is your I1. So what is your line integral along BC? Line integral along BC. Along BC, this is also intercept form of the line. X by minus 1 plus y by 1 is equal to 1. So minus x plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 plus x. dy is equal to 1 derivative 0, x derivative 1 into dx. So along BC, x varies 0 to minus 1. X varies from 0 to minus 1. Now what is your f bar dot dr bar in terms of x? Actually y square dx minus x square dy. What is your y? 1 plus x whole square dx. X square, what is dy? Dx. 1 plus x square plus 2x minus x square common dx. A plus b whole square formula. X square cancel. 1 plus 2x dx. Now your I2 is equal to integral over BC f bar dot dr bar is equal to integral 0 to minus 1 1 plus 2x dx. Integral 1 dx x 2 into integral x square by 2 0 to minus 1 2 cancel. Upper limit minus 1 whole square plus 1. This is the upper limit minus lower limit 0 plus 0. So now is nothing but 0. I2 is 0. Intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 model. Here also intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1 model. Look here, line integral along CA. So your common point is y. Y is equal to 0. So dy 0. X varies from minus 1 to 1. Line integral along CA. Y is equal to 0. So dy is equal to 0. X varies from minus 1 to 1. Here f bar dot dr bar in terms of x. Actually y square dx. Here dy 0. So y square means y 0. So 0. Y 0 dy 0. So we get 0. What is the actual f bar dot dr bar? Y square dx minus x square dy. So y 0, dy 0, we get 0. So I3 is equal to integral along CA f bar dot dr bar. No function value here, we get 0. Therefore, our I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 0, nothing but minus 2 by 3. Problem 10. If f bar is equal to x square minus 27 y bar minus 6yz j bar plus 8xz square k bar. Evaluate integral over c f bar dot dr bar from the point 0, 0, 0 to the point 1, 1, 1 along the straight line, from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Solution. Your given f bar is equal to x square minus 27 I bar minus 6yz j bar plus 8xz square k bar. R bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Dr bar is equal to dxi bar dxi bar, dyj bar, dzk bar. F bar dot dr bar is equal to dot product of those two vectors. Multiply I bar coefficients. X square minus 27 into dx minus 6yz into dy plus 8xz square into dz. Now observe the methodology. We have to find line integral from the point 0, 0, 0 to the point 1, 1, 1 along. First, this is your first line integral, second line integral, third line integral. So I1, I2, I3. Adding these three, we get 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. That is I. So line integral along 0, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 0. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? So observe carefully. Get y0, z0, y0, z0. So automatically dy0, dz0. X varies from 0 to 1. X varies from 0 to 1. No need of diagram. Observe carefully the points and observe common points y0, z0. So dy0, dz0. X varies from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now f bar dot dr bar. So you write dy0, dz0. So we get x square minus 27 dx. I1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x square minus 27 dx is equal to x cube by 3 minus 27x 0 to 1. Upper limit 1 by 3 instead of x at 1 minus 27. Lower limit 0 minus 0, 0. So take LCM 3 into 27 minus 81 minus 80 by 3. Line integral along second one 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0. What is your observation here? Z0, x1, x is equal to 1, z0. So dx 1 derivative 0, dz 0. Y varies from 0 to 1. Y varies from 0 to 1. So you write your f bar dot dr bar. In this case, substituting dx 0, next dz 0, your x value 1. So we get here minus z0. So we get 0. I2 is equal to integral 0, nothing but 0. No function here. 0 to 1, no function here. So 0. Whenever f bar dot dr bar 0, we get value 0. Line integral along last one. What is the last one? 110 to 111. What is your observation? X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, dx 0, dy 0, z varies from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now your f bar dot dr bar, substitute dx 0, dy 0 in the above. We get 8x z square dz, 8x z square dz, 8x z square dz. X is 1. So we get 8z square dz. X is equal to 1. So your I3 is equal to integral 0 to 1 8z square dz is equal to 8z cube by 3 0 to 1. Substituting upper limit, we get 8 by 3. Lower limit 0, need not write. Therefore, required line integral is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Your I1 is minus 80 by 3, I2 0 plus 8 by 3. So we get minus 72 by 3, 4. Second one, surface integral. If f bar is a vector, a continuous vector point function, and S is a surface, then integral over S f bar dot ds bar, or integral over S f bar dot n bar ds is called surface integral of f bar over S. Here small n bar is a unit outward normal vector at the point P to S. Note. So F bar dot n bar ds nothing but F bar dot ds bar. Observe carefully. Here surface integral means a double integral. Already we know that. So how to get ds n bar ds? How to write n bar ds? So you look here. Taking R projection on xy plane, your ds becomes dx dy by mod n bar dot k bar, mod n bar dot k bar. Taking R projection, R means region, on yz plane, your ds is dy dz by mod n bar dot I bar. Taking R projection on zx plane, ds is equal to dx dz by mod n bar dot j bar, mod n bar dot j bar. Another note, in xy plane z is equal to 0, your small n bar is equal to k bar. In yz plane x is equal to 0, your small n bar is equal to I bar. In zx plane, your zx plane y is equal to 0, your small n bar is equal to j bar. These are projections of region R on xy plane, yz plane, zx plane. These are taking directly the planes xy plane, yz plane, zx plane. Any region in space is there, taking projection of that region on xy plane, on yz plane, and zx plane, we get ds in this way. In xy plane, directly in xy plane, directly in yz plane, zx plane, we get n bar like this. In general, your n bar is del phi by mod del phi. Already this formula is given to you. Here phi is given surface. Flux across a surface. If a bar represents velocity of a fluid particle, then flux is given by integral over s f bar dot ds bar or integral over s f bar dot n bar ds. So flux is nothing but surface integral. Flux is nothing but surface integral.